just just back from Lake Como, Italy. Lake Como is just north of Milan. It's the second largest production of silk. So I really wanted to bring you some of these beautiful silks. They are all from Italy. They are either silk or silk blend. So this first one, for instance, is a viscose silk. And what we know about silk is it's known for how vibrant the colors are. The silk holds the colors really well. It gets a bad rap, I think, because people think it's more expensive. It is luxurious and is a little more, but everything under here is $49.99 and below, even starting at $19.99. But think about it, a lot of people have silk pajamas, and so what that tells you is it washes well, it is strong, and it really holds up. So let me just show you some of these. This is a silk viscose. This is also a silk viscose, and part of the reason they look at the vibrant colors. Part of the reason they blend it with viscose is just to increase the drape of the fiber itself. So that's a silk viscose. This is a Carolina Constance. So that just means that a designer designed the fabric. It is 100% silk. It's the most expensive one we have, and yet it's still under $50. And I think that's remarkable. It's beautiful, and you can see the drape is just absolutely incredible. This is a silk cotton blend. This is also a designer. And you can see the name on there is, it's upside down, sorry. Let me turn it around so I can read it. There we go. It's Manita Grace. Manita Grace, M-A-N-I-T-A, Manita Grace, and you can look at that. Isn't that a beautiful piece of fabric? And I know you can't feel it, but the feel is just incredible. And that's pinks and browns, a little bit of black. You could probably blend it in with black, it's kind of made. This one is black. It's fuchsia and black together. This rope, this is equestrian, is just continues to be very, very popular. Lots of different patterns and looks for it. This one is 100% viscose. I wanted to bring in viscose also because Italians started the whole concept, and it was to give a silk-like feel to a non-silk fabric. So sometimes they blend it, sometimes they leave it, and you could not know by feeling. You have to burn it. The difference is beautiful piece of fabric. And then this is 100%. I believe this is 100% silk. And that, again, just beautiful. And this is a brown color. It's a real deep brown. You could probably pair it with black, but just in contrast, so you can see those two differences. This is really a deep, deep brown or a light black. It's hard to tell. But anyway, so there you have it, a beautiful selection of silks. I wanted you to see them. They're all from Italy, as opposed to China. Those are our two options, and I hope you enjoy. The goal is happy sewing.